Welcome to Currently Caffeinating. Today is Saturday, April the 11th, 2026, and the company that I work for is participating in a bowling tournament today. They do it every year. I didn't do it last year, but I'm going to do it today, and I haven't bowled in quite a few years, so it probably won't be too pretty. But nonetheless, first, I need to get caffeinated. So join me if you will. It's good to have you here. Will you?
Time to get up and let the day begin. Grab my camera and run like the wind. So much to do, so much to see. Can't do a thing without coffee. I'm currently caffeinated. I'm currently caffeinated. Currently caffeinated. I'm currently caffeinated.
Yeah, it's about a 45-minute commute to the bowling alley, and it's supposed to rain for the next hour and a half or so. I'm going to stop at this new coffee shop that opened up not too long ago, La Drip Coffee and Tea. Give me some coffee for the road. It is Vietnamese coffee. I'm going to try the banana coffee today.
Hi, welcome to the drip. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to try the banana coffee.
Banana coffee, did you want medium or large?
I'll get a large.
Large banana coffee. Anything else for you, sir?
That'll be it.
Alright, I can see you at the window.
All right, thank you. Hello.
Just a large banana coffee?
Yes, thank you.
We'll have right out for you.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank
Do you
you.
need a straw?
Yeah, I'll take one. Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a nice
Thank you.
day.
And this is what we're dealing with. Looks good. Banana coffee. My first time to try this one. Let's get caffeinated. It's good. Let's hit the road. Yeah, I do not like driving in this type of weather. Alright, made it to Copperfield Bowl. It wasn't too bad of a drive, just, you know, the rain kind of slowed everything down, but I'm here. So check-in is at 1:30. It is currently 1:40. At 2 o'clock, we begin practice. We get 10 minutes of practice, just enough to throw a couple of balls, and then at 2:10, the tournament starts. So according to the email, it's from 1:30 to 5:30. Here we are, Copperfield Bowl. I'm not sure where we're supposed to meet at, but I'll find out. Alright, Copperfield Bowl. Let me get my shirt and find out where our lanes are. Do you know what lane we're on?
I think 32, 33, because we're
Okay.
34, 35.
Okay.
So I think
Alright. Trying to figure this out. Yeah, the name of this group is Pennywise. Get it? Pennywise. It's pretty awesome. Got my t-shirt here. I'm the team captain. And the name of my team is got her done. Like get her done, but got her done. Alright, it's almost 2 o'clock. Alright, I got my shoes. I'm gonna check this out over here, Jurassic Park. Yeah, we're supposed to start at 2 o'clock, get like a 10-minute practice in, which isn't gonna do much for me. I'm just gonna have to wing it and see how good I do. There's some cool games over here. Oh, basketball, I got the Houston Rockets. Alright. There's another basketball game over here. Connect 4 hoops. Alright, I need to get my shoes on and start practicing. Alright. Alright, I can see there are the trophies. That's Pennywise. Pictures on the wall. Oh, Larry Bird. Magic. Troy Aikman. Hakeem the Dream. Bill Bagwell. Earl Campbell. Tiger Woods. Michael Jordan. What is that? Yeah. All right, I'm done. That's the last bowler. 3 games we played. 3 games in a row. I am tired. All right, that's it. End of game. Look at that. Is that Pennywise or Molar?
No, we're not. Like, we don't even have fun there.
Give yourself a round of applause. So this year was one of our biggest years because I came to the tournament. We had 14 credit unions with a total of 28 teams. And we raised in the area of $12,000 for the children's charity. So we'll get down to business. I know we're all waiting for the trophy. So
We're waiting.
So this is our first year for doing a Team Spirit Award. Yes. So this year's Team Spirit Award goes to Houston Federal Credit Union. They came with a citywide theme. I'm sure you saw the balloons and the cutout at the side. So congratulations. Go get a picture.
All right, Pennywise. Wait, come in here. Girl, get in here. Get in here.
On the team.
Literally on the team. Literally. All right, y'all.
We got one more.
All right, this is the official from Willie. Y'all. All right, right here. 1, 2, 3. Camera, put it down a little bit. It's covering your face. There you go. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Trophy. Whoever pays the money. No, thank you. Amber, get a
We did it. Nice job, guys. We did it, guys.
I'm a winner.
Nice job.
I'm a winner. Not a wiener. I'm a winner. I'm a freaking winner. That damn Eric.
All right, very quick, before we announce the first place trophy, I do want to make you aware of the upcoming events for the chapter. On April 28th, we have a troop stage presentation at St. Arnold's Brewery from 5:30 to 8 p.m., as well as the golf tournament that's coming up. So if you have not registered, the golf tournament will be May 6th at the Wildcat Golf Club. So 2 of the chapter events coming up. Okay, so the first place trophy. Was the reigning champs. Priority point. Congratulations.
All right, thank you, Copperfield. Until next time. All right, didn't win a trophy, but it was fun. Now for the 45-minute commute back home. Well, that's going to do it for my video for today. As always, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be safe, be kind, and stay caffeinated.